What is up, motorcycle fanatics? Welcome back to the channel. Look, we have seen some radical concept bikes over the years, but what BMW Motorrad just dropped on the pristine lawns of the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este on the shores of Lake Como, Italy, is on a completely different level of madness. Forget everything you know about polite, comfortable German engineering. This is the BMW Vision K18 concept, and its philosophy can be summed up in 6 words. 6 pipes, 6 intakes, 0 mercy. It is a completely unhinged, one-off theatrical showpiece built entirely around a massive 6-cylinder powerhouse. Today, we are tearing down every insane detail of this aircraft-inspired hyperbike. Let's get into it. To understand the Vision K18, you have to understand that BMW didn't design a motorcycle and put an engine in it. They took a monster engine and allowed a motorcycle to form around it. Now, BMW is no stranger to 6-cylinder bikes. Their current production K1600 lineup uses a 1,649cc straight six that is famous for being smooth and relaxed. But for the Vision K18, the developers threw out the rulebook and went bigger than ever before. This machine is powered by a brand new 1,800cc inline-six engine. Instead of hiding this massive mechanical marvel under layers of plastic bodywork and polite touring fairings, BMW left the hardware completely exposed. It sits right in the open like a mechanical trophy between 2 wheels. Why? Because BMW wants you to know that the inline-six isn't just a powertrain anymore. It's a declaration of pure combustion dominance. The developers at BMW Motorrad chose a central theme for this build, and that theme is the number 6. Everywhere you look on the Vision K18, the architecture of the straight-six engine is celebrated. Let's start with those 6 intakes. Look at the top of the bike. The engineering team completely flipped the script by swapping the traditional positions of the fuel tank and the airbox. This allowed them to design an exposed, highly dramatic intake system. 6 independent intake tubes channel rushing air directly into a centralized air filter. It looks less like a motorcycle intake and more like the open throat of a fighter jet. Then we move down to the 6 pipes. The exhaust system on this thing is absolute automotive art. 3 tubes wrap around each other like striking snakes on each side of the bike, creating a total of 6 exhaust pipes that run aggressively along the flanks and culminate in an incredibly broad, carbon-encased rear section. The look is explicitly inspired by classic Formula 1 exhaust headers. And finally, look at the front cowl. The aggressive face of the K18 features 6 actively cooled LED headlights, 3 on each side, starring out with 0 mercy. It's an intimidating, high-tech signature that ensures you see the 6-cylinder power before the bike even passes you. The design language of the Vision K18 is heavily inspired by high-speed aviation, specifically iconic supersonic aircraft like the Concorde. You can see it immediately in its radical, long-legged silhouette. Everything about this bike has a forward-looking orientation. It features an arrow-shaped silhouette from above, mimicking the delta wings of a supersonic jet. Because they move the airbox, the bike's backbone is remarkably flat and low, while the rear section is pushed down as far as humanly possible. The developers noted that this specific proportion was intentional. It makes the motorcycle look like a sprinter locked into the starting blocks, or a fighter jet climbing into the sky right at takeoff, even when it's standing completely still. It looks like it's doing 150 miles per hour while parked on the grass. But don't let the wild shapes fool you. The craftsmanship here is pure old-school artistry mixed with futuristic tech. A large portion of the Vision K18's dramatic bodywork was hand-formed from aluminum. Most notably, there is a single, seamless side panel that stretches over 2 meters, that's 6.5 feet, across the length of the vehicle. It has been meticulously shaped to look like a single, unbroken surface, hiding any structural seams. To contrast the raw, hand-shaped aluminum, BMW utilized forged carbon fiber framing around the massive rear exhaust bays. And the finish on the metal. It uses specialized coatings, including surfaces created via flame spraying. This gives the metal a unique texture and a visual haze effect, dubbed the heat of speed, which makes the bike look like it's radiating the intense thermal energy of a hot rod. Oh, and the stance. It rides incredibly close to the asphalt thanks to a hydraulically lowerable suspension system that slams the bike down for the show floor and raises it for the road. What do you think of this 6-intake, 6-pipe masterpiece? Is this the most badass concept BMW has ever built? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.